for many who were waiting for Duterte's day of reckoning had difficulty believing that he was arrested. At The Hague, Duterte has been accused of personally authorizing murders and hand-picking some of the victims of his war on drugs. The indiscriminate killing had even resulted in the death of many, including Lydia Acopio's 3-year-old daughter, Micah, in a police raid on the home she shared with her father.
Nung dinala siya noon, maalala ko lang, talagang hindi ako mapakali. Gusto ko talaga i-confirm kung totoo bang nandun na. Talagang nung na-confirm ko na nandun na siya, yung puso ko, nabuhayan kami na talagang ako amazed ako na may ICC kasi walang makakagawa niya kay Duterte. Sa Pilipinas, wala. Hindi nga lang siguro ng makapag sampa nga lang sa kanya ng